for fish. G for glass. H for hand. I for ink. J for juice. K for kite. L for lamb. M for monkey. N for nose. O for ocean. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rain. S for sun. T for tiff. U for umbrella. V for wind. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yacht. Z for zoo.